Welcome to Technify, your go-to source for the latest and smartest in tech. Today we're talking about something that's been creating quite a buzz. DJI's upcoming compact drone, the DJI Flip 2. If you've been waiting for a drone that balances strong performance, user-friendly features, and a super portable build, this one might be worth a close look. DJI has a long-standing reputation for building drones that serve everyone, from casual flyers to seasoned cinematographers. And with the Flip 2, they seem to be continuing that legacy. What makes it interesting? It's the clever mix of intelligent flight tech, a redesigned lightweight body, and thoughtful upgrades that focus on performance, portability, and simplicity. Whether you're just starting your drone journey or are looking to upgrade to something more capable, the DJI Flip 2 looks like a smart and flexible option. Early previews suggest it's packed with new AI features, an improved camera, and better flight safety. All in a package that's easy to carry and simple to fly. At first glance, the DJI Flip 2 seems simple, but under the surface, it's packed with clever engineering. Its most notable physical change is the redesigned folding structure, which makes storing and carrying the drone effortless. Once unfolded, it measures around 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters and weighs under 250 grams. That's important, not just for convenience, but because it allows the drone to fall into less regulated weight categories in many countries. Its fully enclosed propellers add a layer of protection, making it ideal for indoor flying or tight outdoor spaces where obstacles are close. This design not only makes flying safer, but it also helps reduce risk during takeoff and landing. Aerodynamically, the Flip 2 is shaped for low drag and smooth movement, giving you a responsive and stable flying experience. DJI has also stepped up the camera specs. The Flip 2 is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMO sensor, capable of capturing 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. That means your footage will be sharp, detailed, and vibrant, even in tricky lighting situations. For photographers, the drone supports RAW and DNG photo formats, offering more flexibility when editing. The lens offers a wide 82.1-degree field of view, along with 4x digital zoom, allowing you to capture wide landscapes or zoom in for more detailed shots of your subject. Battery life is solid too. It runs on a 3110 mAh battery, which delivers up to 30 minutes of flight time. And if you're planning a longer session, DJI now offers a multi-battery charging hub so you can prep several batteries in advance. What really makes the Flip 2 stand out, though, is its AI-driven flight capabilities. It features Active Track, DJI's automatic subject following system that keeps the camera focused on a moving target without needing manual control. That's a dream for vloggers, runners, cyclists, and outdoor explorers who want cinematic movement in their shots. It also includes popular quick shot modes like Drone, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Boomerang, and Spotlight. Each of these lets users create complex shots with just one tap, making the drone accessible to beginners and pros alike. On the safety side, the Flip 2 offers more than just covered propellers. It also comes with built-in LED lights for better visibility during low-light flights, perfect for dusk or indoor use. Connectivity is also improved. Its upgraded wireless transmission tech gives users a strong, consistent link between the drone and the controller, even in areas where signal disruption might be a concern. The newly designed controller is more ergonomic too, giving pilots a more comfortable grip for extended sessions. DJI is expected to offer several kit options, from a basic drone-only setup to bundles with accessories like extra batteries, a controller, storage case, and camera filters for creative shooting control. While we're still waiting on DJI's full official spec sheet, everything we've seen so far suggests the Flip 2 could be one of the most versatile and travel-friendly drones they've made. It combines smart features, quality camera hardware, and reliable flight performance, all in a foldable, lightweight form factor. That's it for our deep dive into what might be DJI's next big win, the Flip 2. From what we've learned so far, this compact drone brings together powerful technology in a form that's easy to pack and easy to fly. Whether you're filming epic landscapes, following your adventures, or just enjoying smooth flight, the Flip 2 promises to deliver a seamless and enjoyable experience. With AI-assisted modes, a boosted camera system, and thoughtful safety features, it looks like a solid pick for travelers, creatives, and even beginners who want quality performance without complexity. What are your thoughts on the DJI Flip 2? Is this the drone you've been waiting for? Or are you holding off until DJI reveals everything officially? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this look at the upcoming Flip 2, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Technify for more tech reviews, product previews, and updates on the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.